Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the Pixel Lab. Select the text. Edit be rating. Size of letter. Font of letter. Select the 3D text. Change the color of text. Select the inner shadow. Blur it off. Duplicate the letter. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.